Hi there, I'm Georgia, and today I'll be making some cupcakes with these tiny hands and this little guy, the Canon PowerShot PICK. So all I need to do is turn it on and pair. Oh, blub, blub, makes a little sound. Sings to you when it's ready, like a little budgie. Just grab a cupcake with two hands, two steady hands. I think every cupcake needs a bit of icing, so grab the icing with my toddler hands. And you want to give it a firm squeeze. It's like trying to squeeze out the last bit of toothpaste. Oh, that's beautiful. Needs a bit of sprinkles. Just follow me over here, I need to pick up the sprinkles. My roommate and I were recently talking about getting a pet. You know, something that follows you around like your little buddy. I think I should text her and let her know that I found one, except this one doesn't on the floor. Still haven't picked up this frickin' bottle. Get the lid off. Is that in shot? Hello, Pick. Auto off.
A few moments later.
Oh, we got it! Okay. Never too many sprinkles, hey? That's all of your sugar intake for the day, right there. So now that I've got all of the footage of the PowerShot PICK to my phone, I can just edit it and put it up on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this absolute chaos, and let's give a round of applause to the Canon PowerShot PICK. I really don't want to clean this up.